Hello everybody. So I will be doing my um pair programming with my peer Yasmin. Yasmin, can you hear me?
Yes, Martha, I can hear you perfectly.
All right. So we are doing HTMX, and this is chapter 1 of the HTMX. So I'm just gonna do a brief summary of chapter 1. So in chapter 1, we are introduced to HTMX, which is a lightweight JavaScript library that allows us to create dynamic, interactive web pages without writing JavaScript. So instead of writing JavaScript, we use special HTML attributes um, like the HXGet, HXPost, HXPut, HXDelete, HXTrigger, HXTarget, and HXSwap. These attributes let the HTML elements send HTTP requests and update parts of the page dynamically or without reloading the page. Um, so this chapter walks us through setting up a simple backend using Node.js, express a public folder for static files, and a middleware to parse from JSON data. So we initialized package.json, we installed Express, we installed Node1, and then we created server.js, which is this file. And then we also serve static HTML from the public folder that we have here. So our server runs on port 3000. Um, so in the textbook, um, okay, I'm not finding it, but there is an example where we get a button example where the button when clicked it sends a get request, and then the server responds with an HTML, and then HTMX replaces or inserts the content into our page, and we do not require JavaScript for that. And then so our HXGet and HXPost, they send HTTP requests, and then our HXTrigger specifies what event triggers the request, and then HXSwap, it controls how content is replaced, and then the HXTarget specifies where the response should be placed, and then HXVault sends extra data with the request, and then HX confirm shows a confirmation pop-up before sending a request, and then we have HX indicator, which displays a loading spinner while waiting for a response. And then we also work with APIs. So this chapter also demonstrated fetching users from a hard-coded array, then switching to JSON placeholder API, passing query parameters using HX vals, and then also displaying results dynamically in the list. That is it for chapter 1. My terminal doesn't want to work, and so I can't run this. But yeah, Yasmin, I hope everything was clear on your side.
Yes,
All right.
yes, that was very clear. Thank you, Martha.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.